Well, I have been traveling for a while, the last few weeks. I got a few packages here for reviews. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is an electric spin scrubber. It has 5 different accessories to clean everything. This would be great to clean cars. That's what I do. Although the original idea for these things is generally to clean in the house, but we'll see how it goes. So earlier this year I received another version of this. This seems to be more high quality. Let's take a look. Here are the instructions. Very simple. All the attachments, switch. This one kind of has a folding function, so it's much easier to use. Here's the main thing. It's already charged a little bit. And the extension where it goes here. Actually has 2 extensions. Let's see. Oh, it expands too. So, okay. For example, I have a car that is kind of messy out there. Let's go ahead and use, I don't know, a soft one. Maybe this one, this sponge. So this one goes here. This one goes here. And we're ready to go. Let's try it. Here's the function to bend it. Let's go and do it. So here it is with a whole handle attached, and you can see how long it can go, and you can even extend it more. So almost 4 feet full length. We don't need that for now. Here you press to bend it. Don't try to bend it hard because you will break it. So you'll do it here. And let's try with this car. So as you can see, it has 2 speeds, so you can work as you need. Obviously it's waterproof, as you can see, and I'm gonna try one of the other attachments for the wheels. So these wheels weren't really that dirty, but you can see the idea that you can get into very small places where otherwise it will be difficult to do it by hand. So now I'm here in my backyard, and here's another application for the use of this electric spin scrubber. This is the countertop of an outside kitchen. It just rained a little bit here, and we're gonna take advantage of this standing water. This is ceramic tile. It's very resistant. You can clean it with anything. So you can see how clean it is now. We have a different use for every attachment. So again, here are all of them. Big flat brush, a dumb brush, comber brush, small flat brush. Here's the pedestal for all the other 4 attachments: cloth, sponge. This is a wool imitation brush and a scrubbing brush. Sure, you can find a use at home with a car at the garage. It charges in only 2.5 hours and it gives you 37 watts of power and can run for 130 minutes, so 2 hours and 10 minutes with one charge. Pretty good product. There you have it. Let's go and find something else to clean. USB charge, USB-C charge. So it's at 0, it's charging. It should charge in 2.5 hours, and then after that you get 2 hours and 10 minutes of use with one charge. Let's wait for that. Well, the instruction says that the charging process takes 2.5 hours, but it was less than an hour and it's already 100%. I guess it depends on the connection. Here we have a 120. So there it is, less than an hour and we're ready to go again.